G'day everybody, and welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where myself and my good friend Marnie have joined forces and are taking you on a journey of cuisine and cocktails from all over the world. So this week we are going to Israel, and I can't wait to see what food Marnie is gonna make for us. But like any fancy restaurant, let's start with a drink. So I went online and did a bit of research and found out that Israel has an amazing amount of cocktail bars. So I looked at their menu and perused a little bit and said, that's something I'd like to try. So this week, I'm gonna teach you guys my version of the Don Juan from the Imperial Craft Cocktail Bar in Tel Aviv. All right, so the ingredients we're gonna use this week are some gin, something new, Maraschino cherry liqueur. We're gonna use some homemade ginger syrup, some fresh lime juice,
some honey,
some aromatic bitters, some champagne. Let's get into it.
All right, we're gonna start off with 1 1/2 shots of gin, 3/4 shot of cherry liqueur, and now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. And we're just gonna give it a quick stir to help dissolve some honey, a 3/4 shot of lime juice, and a 3/4 shot of ginger syrup. And finally, a dash of bitters, followed by another stir. We'll fill our shaker with ice and give it a shake. And now when you pour, you only want to fill your glass 2/3 of the way full.
And now we're gonna pour in some champagne to top it off. And here we have my version of the Don Juan. There's some really strong flavors in here which will really make it stand out at any cocktail bar that you would ever go to, or in this case, your own kitchen. These flavors are actually really well balanced. The great combination of ginger, honey, maraschino cherry liqueur really works very well. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You do not want to miss a second, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.